Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Sandia Spotter. The Spotter is a handheld cord electric powered machine that offers fast, efficient spot cleaning of carpets, rugs, and upholstery. The Spotter has a 3-gallon solution tank and 3-gallon recovery tank, making all your small jobs a breeze. This unit also features a durable 55 PSI pump, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and an 800-watt vacuum motor for faster carpet drying, making the Sandia Spotter a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit is covered under a dead on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.